You don't have to make trading that difficult to get ahead and make a decent sized profit. Most people think trading is all about day trading the markets and making fast, quick profits. Of course, not everybody's got the time to be doing day trading and in and out in the morning sessions and going to make a quick profits in the morning early European move. So the weekly chart is a great time frame to use with our systems and indicators. It allows you to continue to work for a living and also trade the markets and take advantage of these fantastic trends that happen in these markets with our pro trading system. This market here, the pound versus the Canadian dollar, this is the market we've been really tracking over the last several weeks. Now this weekly chart here with our pro trading system on, it turned green this week here. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks ago, it gave us a buy signal. Now, with that buy signal, we automatically get our entry, stop, and target set up. So if I now click on the automated entry, stop, and profit target, you can see it's all done for you here. Now, a lot of people like to look at risk reward, and a lot of the standard risk reward is 1 to 3. Risk 1 to make 3. Well, you can actually set that up with the automation here as well. So if you want to look for 3-to-1 risk reward trades, then that could be set up and you can get the exact numbers on our pro trading system here. So a really nice move that's progressing here. We're up over 300 pips. Nice and relaxing. No need to do day trading, no need to be stressed out, no need to do fast, furious, unconfident trades in the morning. The weekly chart here gives you nice moves and nice consistent profits without doing too much. Let's have a little look at the gold market here. Not every trade is going to be a winning trade, but the thing is, the secret of trading is to cut your losses and run your profits. Nice move here. Another nice green buy here, a huge move here on gold, another great big buy here on gold, and at the moment gold is not giving us a new buy signal on the weekly time frame. We've had a short side trade and it's pushed down nicely, so we're waiting for the new buy signal on gold, which I think is going to come soon. Now we know the markets don't always go up, and there's short side trades you can also take here, short signals. So when we're going from green to red, we could be short in the market. And you see Euro Swissy here has been in a short trend on this weekly chart now since March. So you've done pretty much not a lot at all, and you're running this short to the downside, trading it on the red pro trading system. So very, very nice indeed. If you want to take advantage of these swings and get the software, just click on the link below and get a callback request from one of our course advisors, because we're going to talk about swing trading. He's going to be talking about how you can get onto our trading academy and get all the software alongside it as well, guys. This Swissy yen trade has been in the forefront of our mind because it's been green since end of March. 145, that's 1,000 points to 155, and it's still green and up. Very, very nice indeed. Look at these buy signals here. Absolutely huge. Huge profits, huge pips, huge return using that weekly chart with our pro trading system. And of course, we've not even spoken about our momentum indicator here, which is our storyteller, which gives you the heads up when those big moves are just about to start. Click on the link below, guys, and let's talk to our course advisor about the Swing Trading Academy.